Crypto Joey Shaw.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the NIO show. NIO stock, NIO stock. Okay, let's talk about this one. I have not made a video on this one for a long time. We were telling you to buy this under 5. Went to 8, pulled back to 580, the purple line here, which tends to act as support. I would say if you want to buy this, this is the time to buy, because the move back up higher, if this is the bottom, if the market as a whole is going to bottom here, the move back to 8 is a 36%er. You buy right now and then you set a stop down here at the low. That's an 8% loss, but that's very good risk to reward ratio. That's a 1 for 8. So either you lose 8% or you make 36%. That's very good. That's actually incredible. So you put 10K, you either lose 800 or you make, 3,000 plus. That's incredible risk to reward ratio. So it does have earnings coming up, so that's the unfortunate part. Is I don't like holding through earnings. I have a rule: no holding through earnings. That's just I've seen people hold bags because they hold their earnings hoping for the big pump, and then it just does a big dump instead. So why even bother, right? Why risk it? I don't know. Just people, I guess, want they're starry-eyed for the big gains. So I would wait until the day after earnings to see what happens, how the stock moves. But other than that, I know I haven't talked about NIO in a long time, but this is still, I think this is a buy where it's at. It's following the markets. It's going up with the market. It's going down with the markets. So it just makes sense. If everything's selling off and crashing, this crashed. Everything's pumping now. So it's normal for this to be pumping. We should see this back at $8. But still be cautious, right? We're not out of the woods yet. One green day does not mean that we're going to immediately go to the moon. It could be a fake out. We've been getting a lot of those these past few weeks, where we have a green day and then we just continue to sell off after. So it's just kind of one of those, like, you just better be, better to be safe than sorry. Better to be safe than sorry. Let me look at their earnings. I have not looked at their earnings in a long time, man. It's been a long time since I made a video. So NIO stock, trading view, financials. It's free. I don't use anything. I don't pay for anything. People always ask me, do you pay for any software? And I'm like, no. Everything is free out there. What's not free? My Discord, patreon.com/shadesandtrades. But yeah, everything I use, every tool I use, it's free. Whoa. I'm liking the revenues. My goodness, those revenues are incredible. Let me pull that up for you guys. I'm actually in shock. This is a good one. This is why we were talking about this one back under, what was it? Oops, back under $5. Let me just show you. I don't want you guys to think I'm like, full of it. Because I like being transparent like that. So NIO stock, let's zoom in. For November, by the way, we are up like 4K because we took a lot of profit today on the pump. So there you go. Patreon.com/shadesandtrades if you want to make money. Show all. And yeah, I was talking about this under, I was even in the thumbnail. 100% blast off in 2025. Buying the 5s, sell at 10. Didn't go to 10, but it did go to 8. So, good enough, right? 50% plus. So yeah, I made several videos this past year telling you, like, under 5, it's a moneymaker. I don't know why it does this. It goes under 5, then goes back to like $8. It just does that over and over again. So why not take advantage? The annual revenues here have been growing. 2.36 billion. 5.6, 7.32, 7.85, and finally 9.13. That's a good sign. That's what we like to see. We like to see growing revenues, right? Why does this matter? Why is this important? Well, if a company's getting more and more sales, then they're growing their revenues. There's more demand for their product / service. It's that simple. If the revenues were going down, then that would be a bad sign. Like, wait a minute, why aren't people interested in their product that they're selling, right? Why aren't they? Why are their revenues going down? Because there's no demand for whatever they're selling. But clearly there's demand, especially with their revenues jumping up billions at a time, it seems. This Q1 and Q2, they've been beating as well. So just on the financials alone, it looks good. Let me look at the previous earnings. This E down here stands for earnings, and had a nice green candle. This earnings, nice green candle. This earning was just kind of didn't really go anywhere. This earnings didn't go anywhere really. This one pumped. So it kind of has a historical pattern of doing either a whole lot of nothing on earnings or it pumps. So, I mean, those revenues though are nothing to scoff at. That is incredible. I like this stock under 5. But yeah, if it runs away, whatever, right? There's plenty of opportunities elsewhere. But NIO stock gets the Shades stamp of approval. This is a good one, guys. That we love. We love this. We love stocks that come back to the purple line or under it. We buy when it goes under the purple line, then it rallies back above it, right? Comes under the purple line, rallies above it, comes under the purple line, rallies above it. It's under the purple line again, near it. It's not under it right now, but it's near it. So you buy here. Imagine not buying here just because it's up above it. From 420 to 8, almost 100%. I already measured it out for you. There's the potential here. If you don't have the discipline to set a stop, that's on you. You don't have to set a stop. You can go ahead and hold the bag or whatever. But I mean, long term looks good. Short term trade, swing trade looks good too. A lot of stocks in the market right now have that exact same setup. They got a low down here, and it's good risk to reward. So up to you how you want to play it. But from my point of view, I would say let's see how today closes. Because again, you don't want to get faked out, right? You would hate to get faked out. You would hate to buy and then, oh, it was a fake out and the market's actually not going to go back to the moon, right? Because that's what people want. That's what people want. Let's be real. That's what people want. We want a recovery. We want things to start going back up 10, 20, 15%. Everything, not just a few. So that's what we're looking for. I mean, we bought APLD and BBAI, so we took profit. We're looking good. We're in the green, man. This has been a great month for buying dips and then selling the pops. Because that's what's been happening. You can even see here, right? We get a green candle. It was a fake out. We drop lower. Green candle, 2 red days. We pumped here, and then it was followed by a big drop, right? So even the green candle here, woo, this is it. This is the bottom, woo, and we go down lower. So that's why I'm just telling you to exercise. Oops. What just happened? Did we accidentally switch to SoundHound? There we go. Pretty much the same setup anyways, right? So yeah, we've been getting faked out over and over and over again. So just be very cautious. This could be a fake out. Like, oh my God, this is it. We're going to bounce. And then it just goes lower anyway. So just be very careful is what I'm saying. Let me look at the weekly time frame, see if we get a clear down. Yeah, we're still in a downtrend. Still in a downtrend. And yeah, this is a big level as well right here. So it has to hold that. If it doesn't hold that, we might come down to 5 and under, which is, that would be ideal. I want this under 5. That would be ideal. There you go, guys. That's your analysis for NIO stock. If you want to play it safe, just give it one more day. Wait until after earnings and see how we move. See how the market moves, because we don't know, right? We don't know if this is just a fake out. Woo, we're going higher, and then we just crash anyways. So if you want to play it safe and don't want to be holding no bag, give it one more day. Give it one more day. That's it for the analysis. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Subscribe, guys. We're on our way to 10K subs. Can you believe that? Let's get there. Let's get there. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. We're going to get more NIO. If you want to see more NIO videos, you got to give me that like so I know, like, oh, people are actually interested in this. That's why I kind of don't make videos, because I don't remember if people even, care about new videos. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. I don't know. It's my first video I've made in a long time. I'm telling you, this looks good. I love a company that continues to grow its revenues, getting more sales, and that's looking good on the charts as well, and following a pattern that I can abuse in terms of, MACD crossovers, purple lines, and the many other strategies that I have. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.